Friends, families, and future clients, I'm broker Nick Demanlig and I'm here right now in Centrina in Alaminos, Laguna. I'm here to feature Ara Model. Yan. Yan. Ara model sits on a minimum lot size of 89 square meters and a usable floor area of 95 square meters. Meron siyang 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 carport, and a balcony, and a complete interior finish. Yan. Samahan nyo ko explore yung house and lot property na to. Yan. First, dito tayo sa exterior. Yan. So makikita nyo, this is your carport. Yan. So kasyang-kasyang isang SUV. By design, exterior design is a modern Asian design of house, and doon sa roofing niya, makikita nyo, yan, yan. It's a GI rib type roofing. Okay? So, going here, let's go. Pagpasok pa lang, wooden door, included na yung door jamb. Yan. Interior finish, ayan po. So, meaning, naka-tiles na, wall paint na, complete na, lilipat ka na lang. Then, I'm here right now in their family hall. So, this will serve as your family hall, entertainment area. Ayan, meron ka pang sliding aluminum door. Ito po yan, na glass. Okay. Then, here is your living area. Ayan. So, actual deliverables po yung dinidiscuss ko since ito po, makikita nyo sa kitchen. Yan, yung countertop po niya is granite finish na po. Meron na rin pong splashboard and including na rin po yung mga cabinets underneath. Modular cabinets underneath. Yan. Dining area. And here is the perspective of your first toilet and bath with complete bathroom accessories. Napaka-spacious po nitong Ara model. Okay? So, going here sa second floor are stairs. Steel ang railings. Concrete finish po ang mga stairs. Then, meron siyang wooden planks. So, makikita nyo may effect po ng high ceiling na nakakaganda ng vibe ng bahay. Ayan, high ceiling po siya. Okay? Yan. So, here in our second floor, vinyl finish po yung ating flooring. Then, here is ito po. So, common po ang second bathroom natin. May access po sa master's bedroom. And, common dun sa adjacent rooms niya. Okay, here is your first bedroom. Ayan. So, hindi po nagkukulang sa natural lighting dahil meron po tayong mga sliding windows. First bedroom. Okay. Then, here is your second bedroom. Ayan, complete finish na po siya. Okay. And, here is your master's bedroom. Yan. And yan po yung access niya sa toilet. Okay. And, most of all, sa master's bedroom, nandito po yung ating balcony. Small balcony. Yan. Para makita po natin yung view ng Centrina, Alaminos, Laguna. Yan. So, napakaganda ng property na to. If you'd like to know more, you can contact me. Feel free to contact me for inquiries. So, once again, this is your dependable broker, Broker Nick. Maraming salamat po.